Hey everyone, welcome back to the 10 Bagger Stock Show. I'm happy to be with you again, and I'm going to take a look at a few stocks today. And the first stock I'm going to take a look at is Snapchat. Snapchat has been on a very nice uptrend for quite some time, since around October of last year. Actually, even dating all the way back to March 2020, it's been on this really nice uptrend. But the really big breakout was right here. You can see that huge volume spike, highest volume ever, I think. Yep, it was even higher than the day the stock came out. Highest volume ever. Big breakaway gap to the upside, and the stock has been on absolute fire since then. I was looking at this stock at this time, and I did call that breakout if I go back. And the reason I called that and how I saw that was this big inverse head and shoulders pattern on the monthly. It's very clear. This pattern is very clear. Inverse head and shoulders. It had the higher low on the monthly, and that was a breakout right around there. And it just saw, actually, this was a breakout. Once it broke those all-time highs, that was a really big push to the upside. But it was already breaking out around here, and the stock was looking good. So it's been uptrending for a while, and I do think this stock is going to see further upside. You know, a lot of advertisers are looking for ways to get their business out there, to get their name known. And people are using platforms like Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that in order to advertise, including myself. And that's how a lot of people found me on Instagram. I was doing a lot of ads on Instagram, and I haven't used Snapchat ads yet, but I would definitely consider it. I'm going to think about it, actually. So let's take a look at this chart, though. It's very bullish. We have nice, very healthy weekly consolidation. We have weekly higher lows, higher highs, steady. Take a look at this. This is like mind-boggling, but you go right over here, and the low right over here, the lowest of this consolidation was $47.82. You can see up right over here. That's the low. $47.82. And the low right here was $47.92, and it held that support. And then again came back to test it, double bottom, and it's just been pushing really nice, this stock. I do think we're going to see further upside up towards that upper weekly Bollinger Band around the $82 mark. I think we could see upside on this monthly chart upward of that $88 plus mark. I think this stock, I have a target of $91 on this stock. I think within a couple months, it could hit that target. In the short term, I do think we're probably going to break out in the short term. We got a really nice, healthy consolidation here. We didn't fill this gap, and that shows a lot of strength that it didn't fill this gap. It held that gap area as a support. It's holding that 50-day moving average, the yellow line. We're just starting to get that bullish daily MAC D cross on the daily. We're not overbought or anything. It's just very healthy. We're staying above that 50 RSI, showing strength. We're still bullish on the MACD on the weekly, starting to converge bearish, but it's holding that level. And if we start getting a push from here, it's going to negate any sort of bearish MACD cross on the weekly, and we could see a lot of strength, and we're not overbought or anything. So this stock does have a lot of upside potential here. There's opportunity here for this company to capitalize on this big social media craze and marketing. And people are more addicted to their phones now than ever. So stocks like Snapchat, Facebook, they're doing really well. Google, these companies are really taking off. Their gross margins are high. Their revenue is high. There's potential. There's growth. There's a lot there. Let's not talk about it anymore. This is a good stock, it looks like, especially if you like Snapchat. I'm not big on Snapchat, but you know, I see potential there. I'm sure there's a lot of people, they love Snapchat. I'm not a Snapchat guy, but I would buy their stock because I see the appeal and I see the potential. And I think Evan Spiegel, he's a young guy. He's probably quite smart. He's probably got a lot of ideas in the pipeline. And, you know, when you're a young guy and you got that drive and you're already successful, you're like a Zuckerberg. Look at Zuckerberg. He's got a lot of things in the pipeline, always innovating new ideas, and he's got a long way to go. And Evan Spiegel might be that next guy. So keep an eye on this stock, Snapchat. That's a stock I'm taking a look at this week for a potential breakout. And that's it for today. Remember to check out my website, 10baggerstocks.com. Check out my course. Comes with my Telegram. I give a lot of signals and ideas in there. And I mean, the value is great. I have a few more days left of the sale. If you want to check it out, it's $3.99. You get the course, you get full access, lifetime access to the course, teaches you so much about stocks and trading and ideas and so much more. But not only that, you also get access to my Telegram group chat and my Telegram signals. There's 2 separate rooms. There's one on Telegram where you just see my ideas, and I'm posting ideas frequently about all different kinds of stocks that I'm looking at, and the support and the resistance and potential targets and stop loss and stuff like that in there. And in addition, there's also a chat room where you can chat with all the students in the course as well. So there's a lot of value there for the price, and there's no subscription fees. It's a one-time fee. Anyways, thanks for checking it out. Thanks for following our page. Remember to click that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. Check out the Stocks Snapchat. There's opportunity ahead.